Hello students, class 10 mathematics chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. So before summer holidays we have already seen what do you mean by arithmetic progression, what is a series, what is a sequence and all those things, and we have revised in the previous video what are the basics of arithmetic progressions like common difference, nth term, etc. etc. Now moving further, we have sum of first n terms of an AP. Suppose if I want to add say first 4 terms of an AP or the first 10 terms of an AP or first 20 terms of an AP or first 50 terms of an AP, so it is impossible for us to do physically one by one. Instead we go for a ready-made formula for that, and we have two formula to find the Sn, that is sum of the n terms of an AP, first n terms of an AP. So first one is Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, n is the number of terms. Similarly, if we have information about the last term, that is if I want to find the sum of first 14 term, if I have first term and the 14th term, I can go for this formula as well. Therefore, we have two formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2, a plus an, and sometime in some books it is also represented as Sn is equal to n upon 2, a plus l, that is last term. So, whether it is written an or it is written as l, both means same. Okay. Now let us see an example how it is used in finding the sum of n terms. So first question is, find the sum of the first n terms of an AP. That is first n term. Here it is given, find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP, 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. Now let us first collect the information given here. I have a, that is equal to 8. I have d, that is equal to 3 minus 8, that is a2 minus a1, that is equal to minus 5, and I have n is equal to 22. Yes, I have n is equal to 22. Now replace the value of each term in Sn. N is 22, therefore 22 upon 2, that is n upon 2, 2a, 2 into 8 plus n minus 1, n is 22, that is 22 minus 1 into d, that is minus 5. So here I have 11 into 8 into 2, 16 plus 11 into minus 5, it is minus 55. Now I have 11 and minus 55 plus 16, add these two, you will get 11 into minus 39. So we will get 9 42. Minus 429 is my answer. Therefore, how to find the sum of the first 22 terms of a AP? First write the given information here, then replace the value of the terms in the formula and then solve, get the answer. Yes, now let us move to the next question. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. So sum of the first 14 term is 1050. That is S14 is equal to 1050. This is the first information. Second information is first term is 10. That is A is equal to 10. Find the 20th term. That means I have to find A20. So these are the information I have right now. Therefore S14, replacing the formula here. So I have 1050, that is S14. N is 14, 14 upon 2. 2A, A is 10. Therefore 2 into 10 plus N is 14. Therefore N minus 1 is 13 into D. That is what we have to find. Yes. So this is 7. 1050 divided by 7. This 7 goes to the denominator. I have 20 plus 13D. 7. 1s are 7. 5. 0. 150. Therefore this 20 get transposed to 150. So I have 150 minus 20 is equal to 13D. Therefore 130 is equal to 13D. Therefore D is equal to 10. Is equal to 10. Yes. Now I want to find A20, that is equal to A plus 20 minus 1D. A is 10, 19 into D is 10. So I have 10 plus 190, that is equal to 200. This is my answer. Here we have how many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 must be taken so that their sum is 78. So here we have A is equal to 24, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 21 minus 24, that is equal to minus 3, and we have Sn is equal to 78. Now using the formula for Sn, I have 78 is equal to, this is the value of Sn, n upon 2, 2a, 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 3. So bringing this to this side, I'll have 156 is equal to n into 48 minus 3 into n, minus 3n, minus into minus, plus 3 into 1, 3. So I'll have 156 is equal to 48 plus 3, 51, 51 into n, 51n, minus 3 into n, minus 3n square. So now I have quadratic equation. Now rearranging this, I'll have 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. So divide, since all the terms are divisible by 3, I can simplify this as n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. सारे टर्म्स को 3 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो यू विल गेट n स्क्वायर माइनस 17n प्लस 52 इज इक्वल टू 0. Now we know how to split this. After splitting, I'll get n minus 4 and n minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, I am getting value of n4 as well as 13. दोनों ही वैल्यू एडमिसिबल है क्योंकि दोनों ही पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आ रही है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, S4 sum of S4 term is also 78, whereas sum of S13 term is also 78. Terms from fifth term to 13th term, if I add up to the 13th term, if I add, I'll get 0 because in between I have positive as well as negative values. Adding up that I'll get 0. इसीलिए 78 ऐसे कैसे वापस हमें 13 टर्म्स को ऐड करने पे भी मिल जाता है. So it is a very important why we get two values. Sometimes it is asked in the board exam. In this question we have a is equal to minus 5, d is equal to minus 8 minus of minus 5, that is equal to minus into minus will get plus. Therefore I have minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to minus 3, and an is given by minus 230. Now before going for SN formula we have to find n. In order to find n we have to use an formula. So an minus 230 is equal to a minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 3. Bring this 5 this side, we will have minus 230 plus 5, that is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So we have minus 225 is divided by minus 3. That 3, this 3 has been brought to the left hand side, n minus 1. Now minus and minus will get cancelled. 3 1 times, 3 7 times, 15 5 times. Now we have n minus 1 is equal to 75. N minus 1 is equal to 75. That implies n is equal to 76. This 1 will go this side, so we'll have n is equal to 76. Now we have to find S76. So I have 76 upon 2 into 2a. A is minus 5 and d is minus 3. Therefore a is minus 5 and n is 76 minus 1 and d is minus 3. So I have 38 76 divided by 2, 38. 2 into minus 5 minus 10. 75 into minus 3 minus 225. So I have 38 into minus 235. It is 8930 negative because this is minus. So this is my answer. In this way we have to find the sum of 76 terms. With that we come to an end, and we will meet tomorrow again with some more questions from the same topic.